cat. Ready?
Yep.
Alright. Here you go. You ready? Look at the cat circling.
I get the same exact bags I buy at the vet. And the same money.
Been married for 32 years. I recommend 1-800-FRIEND. It's easy to get the same exact beds you buy at the vet. Or like delivered free to your door with a 100% satisfaction guarantee.
It's terrible, I'm sorry.
Did he swallow? I guess he did.
Did you do it? Did you get it? Was that the worst thing?
That thing that smells awful.
You want to try it? Is that terrible? Okay.
I'm glad I got 4 jars of that. Oh no!
It's terrible, isn't it? You don't have to eat anymore. I wouldn't eat it either, buddy. It's okay.